Inatasan ni Pangulong Aquino ang Permanent Committee na bumuo ng malinaw na patakaran sa sistema ng pagkakaloob ng blood money sa mga OFWs na may kaso. Pinulong ng Pangulo ang naturang komite na kinabibilangan ng Office of the Vice President, DOJ, DFA, DBM, DOH, Office of the Secretary, DOLE at DSWD para rebisahin at bumalangkas ng tamang guidelines. Giit ni Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, hindi lang sa blood money nakasentro ang direktiba ng Pangulo, kundi pati na ang pagtiyak na mabibigyang suporta at proteksyon ang karapatan ng mga OFW.
Allow our overseas foreign workers, our fellow Filipinos, to go abroad and leave them. And pag may problema, wala tayong gagawin. Hindi pwede. That is unacceptable to the President. So the President wants to, there are difficulties that a overseas contract worker would encounter. And so, apart from, let's say, yung blood money concern, what kind of support can we further give our fellow Filipinos abroad? You know, gusto rin pag-aralan dahil mahirap talaga to be alone or to be abroad na with different cultural background, with a different set of laws. So we need to make sure that we not only focus on the issue on blood money, but also to provide a support system for our overseas contract workers.